Why is fat loss so hard? Ever wondered why sticking to a calorie deficit can feel like an uphill battle? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the real challenges behind fat loss and, more importantly, how you can overcome them. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of why this process feels tough and practical steps to finally make progress. Stick around, because what I'm about to share could change how you approach fat loss forever. Let me tell you a quick story. I remember when I first started trying to lose weight. I was determined, I had my plan, and I thought, how hard can this be? Well, it turns out it was much harder than I expected. I'd look at the scale, and the number wouldn't move, or worse, it would go up. It was frustrating, and I felt stuck. But it wasn't just about the number on the scale, it was about something deeper. And that's what we're going to talk about today, why fat loss is so hard and the challenges that come with a calorie deficit. So, let's dive right in. The first big question we need to answer is why fat loss is so challenging in the first place. Now, when I started out, I didn't realize just how much my body would fight against losing fat. You see, your body doesn't really want to lose weight. It's programmed for survival, and when you cut calories, your body thinks you're in danger, so it holds on to fat as much as it can. I remember feeling constantly hungry, low on energy, and even a bit moody. That's because my body was literally trying to protect itself by slowing down my metabolism and making me crave high-calorie foods. So, if you've ever felt like you're fighting against yourself when trying to lose fat, that's exactly what's happening. This leads us to our second question: what are the specific challenges that come with maintaining a calorie deficit? Well, let me continue my story. After a couple of weeks into my diet, I hit a wall. I was tired all the time, I had no energy for workouts, and I was always thinking about food. I even started avoiding social gatherings because I didn't want to be tempted. That's when I realized that being in a calorie deficit wasn't just about eating less, it affected every part of my life. One of the biggest challenges is hunger. When you're in a calorie deficit, your body releases more of a hormone called ghrelin, which makes you feel hungry. And on top of that, your energy levels drop because your body doesn't have as much fuel to burn. It's no wonder so many people find it hard to stick to a calorie deficit for the long term. But here's the good news: there are ways to overcome these challenges, which brings us to our third question. How can you effectively navigate these obstacles and achieve fat loss? Going back to my story, after struggling for weeks, I decided to change my approach. Instead of just focusing on cutting calories, I started paying attention to what I was eating. I included more high-protein foods, which helped me feel fuller for longer, and I made sure to get enough sleep because sleep plays a huge role in fat loss. I also found ways to manage stress better, like meditating or going for a walk, because stress can cause your body to hold onto fat too. Over time, these small changes made a big difference. I wasn't just losing fat, I was doing it in a way that felt sustainable. And that's the key. It's not about suffering through a diet, it's about finding a way to make fat loss a part of your lifestyle. Now, let me ask you, what's been the biggest challenge you faced when trying to lose fat? Comment below, I'd love to hear your experiences. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I put up a new information-packed video. So, why is fat loss so hard? It's because your body is wired to resist it. A calorie deficit can bring challenges like hunger and low energy, and it can be difficult to balance fat loss with your everyday life. But as I've shared with you today, it's not impossible. By making small, smart changes, like increasing your protein intake, managing stress, and focusing on overall health, you can overcome these challenges and reach your fat loss goals. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, I've got another one lined up that I think you'll love. Just click on the video right here to keep learning and exploring more great tips. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.